Om Guruve Namaha. God is present everywhere. Aham Brahmasmi. We were discussing how to analyze charts. So, while analyzing a chart, we should keep two things in our mind. Degree plays a very important role for conjunctions. That is, who is lesser and who is greater in degree. Degree is also the longitude of the planet. But here it is totally different than the Nadi astrology. Yuti or conjunction means exchange of energy between the planets. Every planet has two forms, natural Karak Tattvas and his lordship. Sun is the Karka of all natural Karak Tattvas. It is also the Karka of father. Lordship changes the things. Example, say for Aries ascendant, Sun will carry the significations of the fifth house. And for Taurus ascendant, the Sun will carry the significations of fourth house. That is mother, immediate family, domestic atmosphere, luxuries and vehicles. Similarly, for the different ascendants, the Sun will carry different significations. Say if one is Aries ascendant, then the planet ruling the first house is Mars. And if its degree is 10 degree and Jupiter is also there with 9 degrees, here the effect of Jupiter are going on Mars. That is, the planet with lesser degree or lesser longitude affects or approaches the planet with higher degree or higher longitude. As per the natural significations, Jupiter is the Karka of education, idealism, wisdom, culture, righteousness, luck, and these things will affect or approach Mars and will be transferred or assigned to the personality of the individual. If degrees of the planets are same in a conjunction, then minutes, and if minutes are same, then the seconds or the anshas are taken into consideration. If first house we know is our personality, first house is our personality and the planet immediately behind the first house lord, that is, which is lesser in degrees to the first house lord, will affect the native's personality. Similarly, second house is our wealth and family, and the planet immediately behind the second lord will affect our wealth and family. The third house is our efforts, younger siblings and hard work, and the planet immediately behind it, the third lord, will affect them. Similarly, the fourth house is our domestic atmosphere, mother and property, and the planet immediately behind the fourth lord will affect them. For example, say suppose in a chart X planet is fourth lord and the planet behind it is Y. Let us say Y is Venus. Then the native's house will be full of luxuries, decorative and full of all type of amenities. If moon is behind fourth lord, the native will have seepage in his house, or source of water in the house, or source of water near his house. Similarly, if sixth house is to be studied, the planet immediately behind the sixth lord will tell you about the diseases, stomach, pancreas, liver, etc., or disputes and enemies. As a remedy, one should follow a daily routine to avoid diseases, enemies and disputes. Similarly, if seventh house is to be studied, the planet immediately behind it will affect our partner's personality. The planet immediately behind the eighth house will tell about the, not eighth house, but eighth lord will tell about the disturbances one will bring to his house, or the things which can disturb the native are indicated by the planet immediately behind the eighth lord. If the lord of eighth house is Venus and the planet immediately behind Venus is Saturn, who is the lord of say 11th or 12th house, social circle, friends, investment and expenditures will affect the native's life. If 11th lord is immediately behind the 8th lord, the cause of the native's problems will be expenditure and friends. The native has to control and align them. Any planet which we study is lord of some house. The lord of sixth house is if his sun, and immediately behind sun is Venus, which represents our skin, throat, etc. Then the native will have disturbances related to skin and throat. If two houses of a chart are balanced, the life of the native gets balanced. These houses are first house and the 10th house. They have a destined effect. If fourth lord has Rahu behind it, there is habitat of some pretatma in native's house, or there is negativity in the house which disturb the kids, and if there is Ketu behind fourth lord, then it gives a cut in the house. The house of change is 12th house. If 12th lord is immediately behind the 10th lord, there will be change in profession or job, or the native will work with some multinational company, or will work in foreign lands, or he will work away from his house in a different culture and different environment. Thank you.